Alrighty, for today's reading lesson is Write on Reader Holes, Chapter 8, Stanley and Zero Find God's Thumb, pages 42 and 43. Chapter 8, Stanley and Zero Find God's Thumb. Mr. Sir punished Stanley for teaching Zero to read. Stanley had to dig Zero's holes because Zero had run away. Stanley worried about Zero. He hoped Zero would make it across the lake to God's thumb. Zero did not come back. The adults thought that he would die. All the information about Zero was destroyed. The next day, Stanley tried to steal the water truck to save his friend. He accidentally drove it into a hole. Stanley helped his friend. Stanley took off running. Nobody came after him. Stanley walked all day in the hot sun and saw a lot of holes. He had no water in his canteen. It was empty. Then Stanley saw Zero. He was still alive, but Zero needed a drink of water. Let's move over to today's questions. Please answer the question. Why did Mr. Sir punish Stanley? A. He taught Zero how to read. B. He taught Zero how to dance. Next question. Who was Stanley worried about? A. Zero or B. Mr. Sir? Please complete the sentence. Stanley helped his dog, friend, or teacher. Upon completion of today's activity, please upload to Teams. If you have any questions or difficulties, be sure to contact the teachers. Thank you.